All right. So we'll start with this session. This session is called Power of Dreams. What? Power of Dreams. I'm going to help you to get whatever you want in life. Okay, whatever you want in life. Whether it is something to do with your profession, your personal, any material thing, spiritual thing, whatever you want in life, I'm going to share with you the techniques and the strategies and the tools so that you can, if you implement, you will get whatever you want. Are you ready? Yes. Say I. With full energy. I. Okay. Why? What it takes to be successful. You all know. Yeah? So you all are confident that you'll be successful with all this knowledge you have. It is said, knowing is not doing. Okay, doing is doing. How many of you know that doing physical exercise is good for your health? Say I. How many of you do physical exercises? Okay. How many of you know that eating junk food is not good for your health? And how many of you eat junk food? So it's not the knowledge. Okay, there's no death for knowledge. You know all these things. But the difference is in action. Yeah? The difference is in action. The difference is in action. And whenever I say something, and if you nod your head, that means you know all these things. You must have read books, you must have met people, you know all these things. It's there in your, somewhere in your subconscious. That's why you nod your head, yeah, what he's telling is correct. But action. You would say, come what may, I'm going to make my life. I'm not responsible for anything. Your past is not equal to your future. Your past is not equal to your future. You should take responsibility. You should say, I'm going to take charge. I'm going to take 100% responsibility. I'm going to design my life. What? Just imagine a football match. Okay, visualize a football match. All of a sudden, the goalposts are missing. Will be there any fun in watching a football match? Yeah? Or, you walk up one day and you'll take your car and you'll drive. You don't know where you want to go. You'll keep driving. Will you have any fun in life? Fun in your life? So do you have any fun in your life if you don't know what you want? So Socrates said, if you want something in life as bad as like how you want breath when you're underwater, you will get that. It's not just a desire. It's not just a wish, okay, if I get that, fine. This is something like, if I'm not going to get that, I'm going to die. Whatever is your vision, whatever is your goal, it should be like that strong. If I'm not going to get this, I'm going to die. Like if you are underwater, how will you feel? Breathless. I'm going to die if I'm going to get this. So it's whatever is your wish, whatever you want to achieve, whatever is your dream, it should be like, it should be a burning desire. And you have got to be hungry. In life, please don't settle for anything less than what you can do, give, or create. All of you with power and conviction, say, it's possible. It's possible. It's possible. It's possible. And you all can make it. Only thing you have to believe in it, and you should tell, come what may, I'm not going to settle for anything less than what I can do, give, or create. It's always like that, no? When you want something really bigger, have you seen all this Mahabharata, Ramayana and all? They'll sit under a tree and do tapas. Oh, give me that, give me that. So when what God will do? Lightning will come. Ta! Then he will, no, I will not move. Then rain will come. That will come. No, nothing can shake me. I'm going to sit here and do tapas. And finally, it's called parishan. After all parishan, God will, okay, tell me what you want. I'll give it to you. It's actually, that's how it works. So you'll have a lot of obstacles. A lot of people will discourage you. A lot of people say, no, it's not possible. But if you believe in your dream, if you believe in yourself, nothing is going to stop you. And what happens if it is a negative result? There is nothing called failure. If it is positive, then success. If it is negative, will you change your goal? You have to change your strategy and keep working. It's as simple as that. I have a goal. If it's possible for others, it's possible for me. I'll take action. There are no failures. Only feedback. Now, say with power and conviction, I will, I can. I will, I can. I will, I can.